Hello everyone, Julie here. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm actually going to be reviewing a winged eyeliner stamp that I saw on Amazon. So this is the product. It's from Beauty. And like I said, I saw this on Amazon and I want to say I also saw it on like TikTok or something. And it just kind of sounded too good to be true. So I wanted to get it and test it out and share it with you guys, and OMG. I'm just gonna say that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and review this. I've already tried it, but I don't have it on right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it on for you guys, show you how it goes on, and tell you whether I like it or not. So if you guys want to find out if I like the winged eyeliner stamp, keep watching. So first things first, I'm gonna go over the product a little bit. I got the one from Beauty, but there were a ton of like winged eyeliner stamps from different brands on Amazon. This one just had like the highest amount of reviews, and I think it was like 4.5 stars out of 5, so I just went with this guy. It was about 10 bucks, which is like pretty cheap. This one is black, and I couldn't find like a brown or any other color. Literally all the ones I've found are black, so keep that in mind. If you guys don't like black, this won't be the product for you. But and then on the side it says it's a 3-step process, pretty easy. Prep your eye with primer and powder, use the stamp, and then line, and that is it. So reading that, I was like, okay, a little skeptical. I don't know if it's gonna be that easy, because let me tell you, getting a winged liner just regularly for me is like a mission. They never are the same. It's a whole thing. Yeah. So this is the packaging. Also, it is waterproof, smudge proof, and long lasting, which I put it to the test the other day, and I'll let you guys know if that is all true. But inside the box comes the 2 different winged liners, and the reason you need 2 is because you need one for the left and the right. Obviously, if one wing was going this way, I need a wing to also go that way. So it has a left and a right. It has the stamp side, which looks like this. And then it also has the liner side on, the other side. So obviously the liner looks like just a typical liner. Obviously it has both of those, so you can stamp it and then line it however far you want to line it. And I read some reviews about it, and you could also line it on the bottom. Sometimes with like liquid liners, I'm a little nervous to line on the bottom, but this guy said you can, so if you want to do that, you can, which is great. But yeah, this is the product. This is what it looks like, but let's go ahead and test this bad boy out. All right, getting a little up close and personal so you guys can really see how this works. So I have my left wing. Obviously, I'm gonna start on my left side and start with the stamp. So you literally just go in and stamp. Depending on like how you want your wing angled, obviously will determine how you like hold it. I messed up once and like angled it way up, and it was not cute. So keep that in mind, that you obviously have to like angle it how you want it, but yeah. Okay, so my mirror's over here, so I'm like gonna try to show you while looking at my mirror. Let's see, I'll move my mirror a little bit so I can. Stamp, done. Okay, so obviously you can see that right here it is not fully connected, and that is where the liner part comes in. So I stamped it like literally so easy, one and done. And then I take the liner and I'm trying to make it so this lid doesn't fall. And then I go in and just connect it. And then obviously, so I connected it, and then obviously you can line it however far you want it to go. I'm like not doing like the full line right now. With my makeup, I just do like a little bit, so I'll probably just line it a little bit more. Like halfway. And then just connect it a little bit at the bottom. And that is it. I feel like this time I even I did the wing like a little more angled. I think I would probably next time do it a little bit down. So it's a little bit of trial and error to like figure out exactly like where to stamp and what angle you want your wing at. But you guys, it is literally just that easy. I will obviously go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. I will grab the right side pen, so then it has the wing for the right, and that is it. Normally this would take me forever. I don't even know how long. Now with this, seconds. Like I can have both my wings done in probably 30 seconds, where normally it would take me like at least a couple minutes. Sometimes I would mess up and then have to like redo it and all of that. And like I said, I did wear this previously and I wore it the whole day. And let me tell you, this thing is smudge proof. It is waterproof. It was actually pretty hard to get off with my normal makeup removers. So that shows that it's like really, really waterproof. And also the fact that it is like smudge proof and waterproof, you only have a little bit of time if you mess up to like go in and fix it. So keep that in mind. It dries really quickly. Obviously it's smudge proof and waterproof. So if you want to fix anything, you gotta do it quick. But I'm very impressed. I really, really am obsessed, and I'm really surprised that it worked. I didn't really have much hope. I didn't think it was gonna work. I actually did a video on TikTok about like how surprised I was, and I did my first reaction. I'll kind of show you guys that right now. But yeah, my first reaction, I was shocked. I was like, what is this? I can't believe it. I can't believe I haven't had this. Like I've lived without it. It is crazy. So pretty much this is like a 9 out of 10 for me. The only reason I don't give it a 10 out of 10 is it doesn't come in any other colors, and I've been really feeling like the brown eyeliner lately. So the fact that it only comes in black is like, kinda sucks. I'm sure it will come out in other colors eventually. But yeah, that's the only negative, is it only comes in black, or at least I can only find black. So if you guys can find brown for me, put it down below, let me know. I will definitely get this. But this thing is awesome. Like I told you guys before, it was like 10 bucks. I got it on Amazon. If you guys want to get it, the link is down below. This one is awesome. There are a ton of other brands, but I really recommend this Eye Method Beauty one. I've been using it for about a week now and I'm obsessed. It is awesome. So if you guys really want to know if the stamped winged eyeliner works, it does. Here's the proof. Done. And that is it for my review on this amazing winged eyeliner stamp. I went ahead and put my other wing on, so now I'm ready to go. But like I said, this thing is awesome. I highly recommend it. It totally works. I don't know how I lived without it. I will be using this every time I do a winged eyeliner. It is awesome. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and also check me out on Instagram and TikTok, and I will see you all next time. Bye.